your day complete. When you get a gift, what do? Smile and say a big thank you. If mistakes happen, don't be shy. Say sorry quick, give it a try. After play, before you stop, put toys away, it's time to clean up. If you have two and a friend has none, sharing makes it twice the fun. When someone needs a hand to find, you can help, be helping and kind. A little plant needs love each day. Watering plants is the caring way. Mine's Dad. And don't forget your furry friend. Being kind to pets is the trend. Good manners shine in all you do. They make the world bright for me and you.